myself Sipra Mohanty and I am from Odisha and I am pursuing my bachelor's degree here at VIT Bhopal in computer science with specialization in cybersecurity and digital forensics. So I got enrolled here at December 17, 2021 for the Java development course for 2.5 months. And previously I got placed in Amdocs by October with a minimum package of 7.5 lakhs, and after I got enrolled here within 3 months of time I got placed in Piramal Pharma Solutions at Bangalore or Mumbai at the package of 12 LPA per annum. So I would like to thankful and grateful to Rajesh sir, Ram sir, sir for guiding me throughout the whole course, and the HR team and the management team is superb here.